Hello, I'm Brenda Sanders Passmore, and welcome to Health Bites. Today we have Chef Jen McKenna. She's here today to teach us a recipe on how to make healthy carrot cake cookies. Welcome to the show, Jen.
Hi.
So, let's get started. How do we make these?
All right, so I already peeled and grated 1 carrot, so that's already in our bowl. So first we're going to mix our wets into there, so we have 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil.
Okay.
We have 1 egg. We have half a cup of pure maple syrup.
My favorite
None of the
sweetener.
Aunt Jemima stuff.
No.
All right, and about a teaspoon of vanilla. I always eyeball that.
Oh, yeah.
So give this a good mix. Our cinnamon and our baking powder, so about 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder.
Okay.
One teaspoon of cinnamon. Smells super good with the cinnamon.
It does.
So give that a good mix, make sure it's all incorporated. Make sure all the baking powder's smooth in there. Okay, so next we're going to add our flour and our oats. So I use the quick oats. So you're going to want a cup of quick oats.
Lots of fiber and whole grains in this.
Yes,
that's awesome.
Exactly. So give that a good mix. And then lastly, we're doing 3/4 cup of flour. So I just add a little bit at a time and then just kind of fold it in.
Okay.
So this is all the ingredients for this, but sometimes I like to add different add-ins. So walnuts is a good one. Chia seeds for a good extra crunch and also a little boost of energy because chia seeds give you a little bit.
Raisins would be nice too, I bet.
Raisins too would be delicious. So you don't have to just keep it like this, but it's definitely delicious as is as well. So I just keep adding a little bit at a time, folding it in. So you want to preheat your oven to 350.
Okay.
All right, so
it's quite thick for a cookie batter.
it is, yeah. It's good to make the cookies with your hands. Just kind of roll them up into a ball and then press them onto
That's
your
part
sheet
of the
pan.
fun of cooking anyways.
Exactly.
Getting your hands in there and making
The
it.
best part. All right, so now that that's all incorporated, I have my sheet pan over here, which I will grab. Balls of cookie dough. And then I just kind of press it down just a
You
little
make them
bit.
a nice size too.
Oh,
I like
yes.
that. Nice generous size.
Yes.
Now, do they spread much?
They do spread,
Oh, okay.
so you want to make sure you kind of leave some space for it. So, and if it's starting to stick too much to your hands, give your hands a little water to them and then go back to it. Because as you can see, it's pretty sticky. So these will go in the oven for about 15-20 minutes until golden brown on the bottom.
Okay.
And yeah, it's a great grab and go breakfast.
Oh, yeah. Perfect
Yeah.
idea. Yeah, for sure.
So if you are gluten intolerant, you can use ground oat flour instead of the flour. So just substitute what was already in there for flour, which was 3/4 cup.
Yeah, that's an easy sub.
It's getting a little sticky.
So tell me about your online cooking show.
Yeah, so our online cooking school is new weekly grocery lists, new weekly recipes, and meal plans. Also, there is there's 2 live cooking videos a week as well with me, kind of like this, where we teach and everybody kind of comments whenever they're cooking with me if they have any questions. So it's a good spot to get any help with anything in the kitchen or anything kitchen related, grocery shopping, whatever. We're there to help you in this little community on Facebook.
That's awesome. Yeah. So where can they find you on Facebook?
So Creative Kitchen is where you can find me. Creative Kitchen PEI, actually. I think it's how it comes up.
Your handle, yeah.
And also on Instagram as well. Creative
Okay.
Kitchen PEI.
There you go.
Yeah.
So there you go, a healthy cookie, healthy carrot cake cookie. It's really easy to make and kid-friendly recipe. Thanks so much for joining me, Jen.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.